This is how you can create a random number generator in Excel with no repeats. This works on PC, on Mac, and of course Excel on the web, and it's super easy. What we want to do is select on any cell and then press on enter and type in the word unique. And we're going to select on the function of unique. From here, it's going to open up a bracket. We're going to start typing in rand and select on the option of rand array or random array. Now it's going to ask how many rows, columns, the number set we want, and of course whether we want it as a whole number or decimals. The first question is how many rows we'd like. Well, I'm going to have this across 20 rows. Now I'm going to press the comma button. We're going to have it on one column though, but you could have as many columns as you like. And then I want the minimum number to be at least a 5, and the largest number in this random set to be at least 1,000. So really, really big. Comma, one more time. Then the last option is, do we want it with decimal points or do we want it as whole numbers? I'm going to select on true, and this means it's going to have whole numbers. Now I'm going to close this bracket by holding Shift and 0 to close that bracket and press enter. If you do have an issue with you've had one too few or one too many brackets, Excel does tell you. I've obviously missed the last bracket, so I'll select on yes, and it fixes it up for us. And there we go, we have a random number generator starting from 5, going all the way up to 1,000. One tip though is if you make any changes in Excel, how I keep adding letters here, the numbers keep actually changing with every single update. If you want to make sure that these numbers stay fixed, highlight all of them, press Ctrl C, and then select on the top number, right click, go paste special, and then paste it just as the value. And this gets rid of that formula. So no matter how many changes you make in Excel, your random numbers once they're generated are now fixed.